My man Rob just posted a video about engine misfires, and my mechanic just called me because I bought one at the auction that had a engine misfire, and somebody had unplugged the coil on it. This is a little sabotage trick that dudes like to play. They unplug a coil and things gonna be misfiring, and everybody thinks it's got a bad motor. See, this is the difference. You gotta know the difference between a bad valve misfire and like an electrical misfire, code, coil, or cylinder misfire. This is the difference between a 10-minute plug it back in, doesn't cost you anything fixed, or a $1,000 engine job. This is the kind of knowledge that we're gonna be dropping, me and Rob the car guy. We're gonna be dropping this on the podcast. We're gonna be doing lives.